Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock footage video using an easy method. First, understand that stock footage is simply video clips you can sell for others to use in their projects. This saves them time and money. You don't need expensive gear. A smartphone or basic camera is often enough. Focus on common themes and clear, steady shots to get started quickly. Planning is crucial for successful stock footage. Start by researching what types of footage are in demand. Think about everyday scenes, nature, or business concepts. You can use a smartphone or a basic DSLR camera. Ensure your shots are well lit, preferably with natural light, and keep your camera steady. A tripod, even a small one, makes a big difference. When filming, always shoot in the highest resolution your camera offers, ideally 4K, for maximum versatility. Keep your camera as steady as possible. Shaky footage is rarely usable. Try different angles and perspectives for each subject to give buyers more options. Avoid copyrighted logos or brands in your shots. Focus on clean, generic visuals that can fit many projects. After filming, it's time to edit. Trim your clips, correct colors, and remove any unwanted elements. Keep your edits clean and natural. Once your footage looks great, upload it to stock video platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. They handle the sales and distribution. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.